Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of integration platforms promising to streamline your business? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison Workato versus Mulesoft to help you choose the best automation tool for your unique business needs in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk Workato. Its strength lies in its user-friendly, low-code, no-code interface. This makes it ideal for business users and citizen integrators to quickly build integrations without extensive coding knowledge. The platform boasts a vast library of pre-built connectors, simplifying connections to hundreds of popular applications. Workato excels in SaaS-heavy environments, perfect for automating workflows across marketing, sales, and customer service platforms. Think automating lead nurturing, streamlining order processing, and enhancing customer support workflows. Now, let's shift our focus to Mulesoft. This platform is a powerhouse for complex enterprise integrations and API management. It's built for developers who need to build and manage sophisticated integration flows and expose data through APIs. Mulesoft's Anypoint platform allows businesses to create a network of reusable APIs, enabling seamless data exchange between on-premises systems, cloud applications, and external partners. It's the go-to choice for large organizations with diverse integration needs and a robust development team. So, what's the bottom line? Workato is your champion for ease of use and speed, empowering business users to build integrations in cloud-heavy environments. Mulesoft is the winner for complex enterprise-level integrations and API management, best suited for experienced developers. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your technical expertise, the complexity of your integration needs, and your long-term scalability goals. Do your homework and choose the tool that best aligns with your business vision.